It's a bit brisk out today, and you can see the temperature gauge in my car says 0 degrees outside. Greetings, this is Rich from HouseBarons, and I just wanted to share with you a really cool gift that my lovely wife Lori got for me for Christmas. And these are heated gloves. They are made by a company called Ororo. This is everything that came from the package, and first thing is it's all housed in this really cool little pouch, so you know you can keep everything together and you won't lose it. It includes 2 large gloves. There's a USB plug and a cord. This cord is split, so you can charge both batteries with just one plug, which is really awesome. And then these are the batteries that actually are going to heat the glove. So it's very simple to use. All you have to do is plug it into a USB port. If you don't have a USB, they also give you this really great plug. So you would just plug that USB in there. And so the battery's got this little input right there to charge it. So that just plugs in right there. And then you can see by the little blinking lights there, it lets you know how much of the battery is already charged. And you can see I've already got 2 lights and a third one is flashing. This battery is almost 100% good. And then we'll just plug the other battery in next to it. So now I plugged in the other battery, and that one's also got 2 lights that are showing that they're fully charged, and we're just working on that other one. So that's basically all there is to charging the batteries. And then how it works is when you flip the glove over, there's this little zippered compartment at the bottom, and there's this little plug right here. We'll take our battery, disconnect it from the charger, and then you can see there's a second round port here. There, that just plugs in there. It's actually fully charged because we've got the 3 lights. So that just tucks back in there, and then you're just gonna zip this shut. So that one's done, and we'll just do the same thing with the other one. Plug that in, and it's all lit up. We'll put it in its little pouch here. It also comes with this user guide, Meet Your New Gloves, and it's pretty easy to follow. When the top light is on solid red, that means the glove is on high as far as the amount of heat it's giving off. And then you can click that again, and that will be medium heat when it's white. And click it one more time, and when it goes to blue, that's low heat. That's just gonna conserve the battery, but when you want it to be really warm, you can just hit it again and it'll go up to that red light. Well, I've used the gloves a few times, and I have to say that they are really remarkable as far as giving off some nice warmth. There's nothing worse than working outside when your fingers start getting numb and it just feels awful. I wouldn't say it's like the gloves are hot, but they just provide enough warmth to where it's comfortable being outside. So now I'm on my night dog walk, and you can see the gloves are charged. So even though it's only 8 degrees out, my fingers are toasty warm. Let's go, guys. How long are the batteries going to last before you need to recharge them? I used them today for about an hour and a half, and they seemed good. I just checked online, and the manufacturer was saying that they can go up to 8 hours, which is really pretty incredible. You would have to put it down to some of the, the lower settings in order to get that length of time out of the battery. So as you're using your gloves, if you start out on the highest heat setting, which would be red, as you're using them, it's going to switch, the glove will automatically switch over to white, which is the medium setting, to conserve the battery. If you're going to be outside for a long time, another really great thing about these gloves is that you can buy extra batteries and charge those, so you'll have use of your heated gloves for as long as you need. This company makes other heated apparel, so maybe we'll be able to do some reviews on their socks and the other items that they have. But as far as the gloves go, I must say they're really great. And if you're going to be working outside for an extended period of time, I think you're going to be really happy to have these gloves keeping your hands warm until you get your job done. I did want to mention one thing though. They're a bit on the bulky side, and so there are certain tasks that you may not be able to perform while you're wearing them. Just wanted to let you know. We're Amazon affiliates. We're going to put a link in the description below so you can get these very gloves for yourself or for somebody you know who's out in the cold. Shout out to Lori. Thanks much for the great gloves. If you got anything out of the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out our channel and we appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement content on the way. Thanks so much for viewing, and we'll see you in this next video.